Day 1 of 60 days to monetization. I didn't wake up at 5 a.m. today. Slept a little bit late, woke up a little late. I haven't checked my Whoop yet to see exactly at what time I slept and woke up. But it's fine, I'll put on the screen to make sure I'm being fully transparent. But I did come to the gym. I had a great workout. Hi, how are you? But I had a great leg day. I went to the sauna. I walked quite a bit. I need to check how many steps I've gotten in so I can plan the rest of my day. Dude, I sat in the sauna after 2.5 weeks, and man, it was so difficult to sit quietly for even 10 minutes. Like, I struggled to sit in one place for 10 minutes. Up until 2 weeks ago, I was doing it for I'd started with 10, but then I had gotten to 20 minutes of doing sauna. I couldn't even sit for 10 today. I was like, oh my God. Cannot take a break from good habits. Anywho, that's the whole reason we're doing this challenge, to build the muscle of consistency and monetize this account. Yeah. I'm feeling so hungry right now, so I'm gonna go upstairs, have my lunch, and then sit down to edit and see if I'm gonna record more episodes. Yesterday I wanted to record 5, but I ended up recording only 2. That's okay. I wanted to keep my episodes under 10 minutes, but the first episode that I recorded, imagine I've recorded 50 minutes of content. I can yap. I can really yap. Anywho, don't want to make this too long. Did a midday check-in, and I'll check back in towards the end of the day. Also, today, along with editing and video recording, I also want to create the Notion template for me to track my progress through this entire challenge, so it's easier to show you guys as well, besides just the pictures, and also create like a content calendar to track my content and my ideas. So I'm learning this currently from YouTube. And practicing. Like, Notion before would freak me out so hard, but after my recent experience with real estate and having to learn a completely new CRM, I was just like, if I can do that, I can do anything. And so when I actually sat down and started paying attention, I was like, hey, Notion actually doesn't look that hectic. So let's sit and give it a go. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Let's see how that turns out. I told you, this content creator journey is going to make me learn something new every day. We got to keep that brain active and growing and staying fresh. I'm going to try this style of recording. Another cool thing that I learned and realized during my discomfort while doing sauna was that what was the lesson I learned? Building the resilience muscle. That's what I realized. You've got to push through the discomfort, because every time we start feeling uncomfortable, like my skin was burning, obviously sweating, feeling so hot. I was like, oh my God, I just want to get out. It's fine. I did 5 minutes. It's fine. Let's get out. After the 5-minute mark, oh my God, the remaining 7 minutes, 6.5 minutes, literally felt like hours. Oh my God, it was so hectic, and I kept telling myself, it's fine. You just have to sit through it. It's just 5 minutes, it's just 4 minutes, it's just 3 minutes, come on, 30 seconds more. Talking to myself like, oh my God. But that's how you build any new muscle. It is uncomfortable, but you've just got to push through it. And when you come out on the other side, when you get comfortable with the discomfort disappears and it just becomes second nature. That's how we build healthy new habits. It's super uncomfortable. It's super messy, the process, which is why I'm documenting this whole thing. I told you my goal is to be waking up at 5 a.m. Today, I think I got out of bed at 9:15, I think. Nowhere close to my target, but we'll get there. I'm going to set up my evening in such a way which supports me going to bed early and waking up early. Let's see how it goes. Guess what's arrived? I ordered for a face light yesterday because when I was making my video, I just said, oh my god, it would be nice if my face was lit better. And of course, Amazon is phenomenal with their deliveries. I wanted to get the newer Duo, but it didn't have the battery pack one. It only had the wired one. So I haven't heard of this brand. Hey! This wasn't the name of the brand that I ordered. This says for sender. I'm pretty sure this isn't the one that I have logged in, but I mean, as long as it does the job, who cares? It's a bit of a flimsy tripod, but I think for now it will do the job. Oh no, I was supposed to use a mic. Uh-oh. I hope you can hear the audio. Okay, so it's come with 2 battery packs, a cable, charger to charge the battery packs, and what is this called, a horseshoe to hold the light. Let's test it out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. May have to charge the batteries first, I think. It's currently almost 7:10 p.m. I'm almost done editing one video that I recorded yesterday. I had to get up to cook dinner. Done with cooking the super yummy dinner. So it's just like, before we sit down to eat, let me see this light. Long, reduce brightness, increase brightness. Let's see what that looks like on my face. I feel like that's a lot of light. I'm feeling super blinded. Ugh. Lighting my face up nicely. Yeah, I'm so excited. I will check in with you after dinner. It is currently 10:07 p.m. and we're wrapping the day up. I currently have a splitting headache. I can't wait to go to sleep. However, let's do our check-in and see what all we did get done today. So before 2:30, I had gotten 5K steps in, which was amazing. I did strength training, followed the morning routine of no screens, read 20 pages of nonfiction. I'm currently reading Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself again. I absolutely love Joe Dispenza. So wake up at 5 a.m. No, didn't happen. Follow morning routine of no screens. Yes. 45-minute session of strength training. Oh my God, yes. I'd had an hour and a half session. The last I had checked, which was at around, I think 7, I had about 9K steps in. I wonder if I've hit the 10K mark. If I have, I will put it in here. Either way, I'll put up a screenshot of my Whoop. I did eat clean today. However, I didn't hit my protein target. I think I may have done about 50 or 60 grams of protein today. I had chicken with, what is that called? Idiyappam for lunch. And for dinner, I made some onion rice with coconut chicken and spinach. So that was good. Definitely got my fiber and healthy fats in. 20 pages of nonfiction, in bed by 8:30 p.m., 9 p.m. Ha ha ha. I think by the time I wrap this up and get into bed, it's going to be around 10:30. I am tracking my progress. We're still at 616 subscribers. We haven't started posting yet, so obviously the watch hours are 0. Videos published, old videos 22, new videos 0, and 0 revenue. This was my to-do list for today. I wanted to edit videos. I edited one. I'll complete it tomorrow so I can publish it. Make a Notion calendar. Really didn't get the time to do this, and like just before eating dinner, I started getting the splitting headache on the right side of my head. I think I didn't do my mobility drill right in the gym today, so my sciatica nerve is hurting a little bit. I think it's my sciatica nerve. That's what the pain feels like, but it's okay. I'll do some stretches in the morning and I'll be good to go. I got in 3 liters of water. Didn't hit my protein goal of 120 grams, like I mentioned. And yeah, I wanted to complete my step count. I did. I didn't get into bed by 9, but that's okay. Day 1 of 60 days to getting monetized wasn't a complete success, but I wouldn't say it was a failure either. We've definitely made progress in the right direction. And as long as we're moving one step towards the goal every day, that's what counts. I'm also in the process of trying to find myself a job which will allow me time flexibility, or at least be aligned with what I'm doing with my channel right now, which will also pay me monthly. Let's see. I have a couple of meetings lined up this week. I'm super excited for them. I will update you once I have more information. Either way, I'm going to continue making these videos. It's just making me feel so good. I know it's just day 1, but I've been setting the foundation for the last 10 days, I think. And now that I'm finally here, actually recording, actually doing this, it's just... I've been going to bed feeling very satisfied, filled with a lot of gratitude. Okay. This light is very funny. I'm pretty sure my photographer friends would be like, Zeba, what the hell are you doing? Clearly, I have no lighting skills, but well, as long as my face is lit, who cares? We will learn along the way. I'm not making my agenda for tomorrow right now. I'll wake up in the morning and make it. Feeling too sleepy. Anywho, I'm super excited for tomorrow to publish my first video. I mean, not first, but like first for this time. Okay, let's go to bed. Love you. Good night.